We think we're leaving in just 2 days. Man, I don't know. We've had a block slide right here. Oh, block slide. Do you think this day would come?
No. Do you feel lonely all by yourself over here?
Nearly 5 months ago, we arrived. We didn't come for the pool.
And we get out of here.
Are you even excited? Bury that or move on and walk right out. I'm up all night, keep pretending to save the world. I'm up all night, keep talking, yeah. I'm out of here.
Nearly 5 months ago, we arrived. We didn't come for the pool. We didn't come to dig up dirt or anything else. We came for the RV wall. Well, a lot's happened. We had a fire, we got through that, and then we had delays in the pool, and that delayed the wall. Now, the wall we're talking about is the RV wall that we need in this yard. So we came for the wall because it was important that we had the right radius, the right grade level, the height of the wall, how we wanted the dirt on each side of the wall. And that's why we came. Well, man, the wall didn't happen until about a week ago. We've been here nearly 5 months. 5 months in one place. Now, we went 4 months in Yellowstone. That was great. That was work camping, you know, but man, we're here in Georgia. We're coming into 5 months. And we've dropped some bucks on this whole project. I mean, it includes the pool. It's going to end up with 3 or 4 retaining walls, lots of gravel, lots of dirt that's being moved around, sod eventually, pavers. It's going to be really nice when we're done. But man, and a pool shed that we ended up building. Now, you know, do you buy one on Facebook Marketplace? Do you buy one installed and just have them drop it? Okay, yeah, no, we wanted the shed that we wanted, particular design, and we went ahead and built it ourselves. Took us like 8 days to do it, but we got it done. Man, it's been a process here. But finally, last week, the wall. Now, we're not graded yet. This thing's got to come down probably about 2 feet. I'm guessing 18 inches to 2 feet. This thing's got to drop down. But we're at a point at least where the wall has been built, and it's at a point where we can start to see the end of the tunnel and the light. And it's not an oncoming train. The light is actually the light of day. Yes. So we were going to leave last week. Well, we had a blockade. Well, as Sandra said, a landscape blockade. We think we're leaving in just 2 days. Man, I don't know. We've had a block slide right here. Oh, block slide. Yeah, so we had to stick it somewhere because we got lots of equipment still here. Trucks. Man, they're delivering gravel over there, so got to put it somewhere. But they've started on the wall, so pretty exciting. They were in front of Curiosity. We told the guys, man, we got to be heading out on Friday. Well, that wasn't going to happen, and they weren't at that point with the wall. So what did they do? Well, instead of building it, they went ahead, because they knew they couldn't finish, and they went ahead and put the blocks over there so we could leave. But there was no way. This place wasn't finished. There were still a lot of things, a lot of details that we needed to address, and so we stayed. So we've extended our stay about another almost 4 weeks, and we're gonna see this thing through. All right, got up at 7. There was no one here. About 7:45, it started to get active, and here we are about 8:15, and oh, they're getting ready to put some concrete down into that pool finally. All right, the first pour is into a wheelbarrow. Maybe they're testing the mixture or something. Seth is finishing up on the pool house area where all the equipment's going to be. All right, do you think this day would come?
No. This is exciting.
Oh man. So even though there's no water in the pool yet, this is exciting to see.
This is major.
Yeah.
Because now once this is done, then we can get the wall done, then we can get out of here.
Woo! But the good news with all that is the pool is finished. They've still got a few little things electronically speaking. The Wi-Fi is not set up yet for the pool, and the upgraded system is not yet fully functional. They've got to get another wire to communicate with the pump, but the pool's in. We're obviously using it. It's great, turned out fantastic. Now we're working on everything around the pool. Oh yeah, and that is our shed that we built. So we finished that a few days ago. Took us 8 days, like I said, and a lot of firsts here, you know. We'd installed windows before, but I'd never gotten up on the roof yet. So went ahead and roofed it, and did the walls, built it. It was a kit. It was that big pile underneath the blue tarp that we had sitting in our driveway for, gosh, since the first week in May, and this is the end of August. So it was there a while, but had all the parts. So we built that, got it done, and we've got the pool equipment in there and all the supplies. So that's going to be really good. But as you can see, man, this is still a work in progress, and they still got more to do on the wall. Extended a little bit more. They've got some grading to be done. We've got to work on that a little bit. Now that we're going to have this wall, we're going to bring the grade up towards the wall here and do some stuff over there, take out those 3 trees, and extend into the forest about another 10 feet. That should give us all the distance and space that we need to get the trailer around. As you saw earlier, we built that wall, and then our daughter Jordan wanted that wall done, so we went ahead and built a little trampoline wall. That's going to be the children's play area up there. We're going to sod that, and we're starting to level it and everything, so that's going to be there. But yeah, here's the wall, and they're working on it. Not finished yet, but we're getting close. And that's exciting. So at least now in the dog days of summer here in August, and it's been hot, we're going to be able to use the pool and cool down and such. So that's been really nice. Yeah, they quite a difference from the beginning when we got here. Man, this place was a mess. It was just, it was unbelievable. And they dug it up, and it was muddy, and we had rain that poured into the pool area, and gosh, we never thought we'd get to this point. But they came in a couple weeks ago and poured that cement. So now it's all working. We've got a jets on the concrete pad there, and we've got a waterfall at the end there. Beyond that, in that enclosure is a hot tub, a spa, and that's working out really nice. As you can see, our grandson John is enjoying the pool. I think I am too here pretty soon. This is one of those projects that just kept getting deeper and deeper. You know, we discovered that the old wall by the pool wasn't built properly, We needed to bring in a backfill and gravel, so that was an addition to it. We always knew we needed this wall, but we couldn't do this wall until the pool was all done. And it was just one thing after another. There was some rain, but it was just one of those things. So, but we're close. We're seeing the near the completion, and we're going to stay until it's done. We hope we can see the sod on the ground, and we stay that long. But yeah, and we also for her birthday, my daughter's birthday, we gave her a pool robot. Pretty cool. So it's going to take care of the bottom and clean the bottom, and then of course the skimmers will take care of the top, and then we'll brush it and do stuff like that on occasion, but that's fun stuff. But yeah, I got that pool robot. We named it, or she's named it, Nautilus. So that's the pool robot's name, and so it's doing its thing. It's been going for about 3 days now, and it runs for, I don't know, probably about 4 or 5 hours, and then it shuts down, comes near the shallow end, we retrieve it, and then we charge it, and then off it goes again. So it's working out really good. But yeah, we're getting close on the project, and we're going to see it through. But oh gosh, we're going to be here probably another 2-3 weeks, but then we're getting on the road. It's going to be in Curiosity, but we're getting on the road. We're going to do some stuff. We're going to have the modifications done to the suspension because we want to go to Baja. We might go back to Alaska, who knows, with the new suspension, and go on McCarthy Road, see the before and after. And then we'll do some other things. And then when Orion gets fixed, and Orion will get fixed, so insurance is going to pay for that. And it's at spacecraft right now, waiting on some final things, T's to be crossed, I's to be dotted, but it'll be fixed. So sometime next year, fingers crossed, we'll be back in Orion and running with Voyager and Orion, our HDT and our big fifth wheel. So that's kind of the scoop here, and we're excited. It's a hot day. I've been working hard. I'm going to get in the pool. So thanks again. See you guys next week. Appreciate you guys watching.